Hey, do you want to book more calls with the warm leads who left halfway through your perfect webinar? Over the next 3 minutes, I want to show you how to use a fast funnel retargeting ad to get warm leads booking calls in with you, all without them needing to fill out any long application or having to go through any complicated funnel right now. Want my fast funnel ad template so you can turn warm leads into book calls without a complicated funnel? Drop the word fast below. I'll send this over to you. Hi, I'm Tina Sandford, and I'm the founder of tinasandford.com. Now, since 2020, I've actually specialized in advertising for businesses worldwide, focusing on highly effective low-cost video ads. I retired in 2010, but right now, I'm here to help you leverage video ads to grow your business and free up your time. Now, right now, let's talk about a big problem that's actually kills conversions in most sales funnels right now. You've got warm leads in your audience, but they're just not booking calls. You can see it in your data. You see they're landing. You can see they're going through, but they're not booking in calls with you. You know these are people who already know you. You've seen how many touch points they've got. They've seen your content. They've watched your videos. Maybe they even opted in for a lead magnet or two with you. And you know that they should be ready to take the next step, but they just don't. Now, what we're seeing is most business owners are trying to fix this by sending more emails, posting more content, little conversion sequences of emails, text messages, and calls, tweaking their sales funnels and their pages. And what they're trying to assume is that leads just want more nurturing. Yes, some do, but here's the truth. If they've been through your webinar, the issue isn't that they need more content. It is that process to book a call that feels like way too much effort for people right now. People are tired, people are fed up. They want the least amount of effort and the closest win, okay? This is why this fast funnel retargeting ad works so well. Because instead of asking your warm leads to jump through hoops to book a call, and you know what that's like filling in those forms, don't you? This method makes it frictionless. Okay, so what happens? Here's how it works. Okay, first of all, instead of asking them or sending them to a long form application page, the ad simply asks them to comment or DM you to start a conversation. Okay. And this instantly creates engagement. It allows you to actually book more calls in a more natural conversational way, which feels better. Okay, it feels better for everybody. But the other thing is, you're actually going to leverage social proof. And also, if you get people to comment, they go back to the top. Okay, which is really good for you as well. And we know that when people see others engaging, they're also more likely to take action too. Now, this doesn't work in every industry, but many it does, okay? So if you want my fast funnel ad template, so you can actually turn your warm leads into book calls right now without a complicated funnel, drop the word fast below, and I'll send it over to you. Now, with this simple strategy, we find that you'll be able to start converting warm leads into clients instantly without them needing to go through a long multi-step process and you sitting there waiting for things to happen.